Hello everyone, I will give you tips. Alright, listen closely to this one. Tips. These are the 5 tips for you to lose in the stock market. Alright, these are 5. Take note of these 5. It's quite contradicting to what we usually do, what we usually search, of things like how to gain profit, what stocks to buy, what are the best companies to buy today. But in this video, we are going to discuss the other ways or the opposite of that one. Meaning, how we need to understand how to lose money in the stock market for you to avoid doing those things. Please watch this video out. Hello everyone, my name is Kevin Autea. You are watching this on my YouTube channel. So please do hit the subscribe button right there. And yeah, please hit the like as well if you found value in this video at the end of this video. So let's proceed. If you also heard of news or some articles like 90% of stock market, let's say investors lose money in stocks because most of them don't know how the market works. Or it's like in business, as you can see here on my research, 90% of businesses or business startups failed. This is also the thing that I usually do in my seminars or my webinars. I emphasize that your stock trading or investing is like your business. So don't treat it like a gambling or a high risk or a risky investment. Treat it like a business, like you are gaining and you are losing at some point, but at the end of the day, at the end of the month, you are still up or you are still gain. All right, let's proceed with tips. Right, so this is tips on how to lose money in the stock market. Tip number 1 is to aim to get rich quick right away. Right, get rich quick. Most of the people, why they lose money in the stock market, because they don't know how the system works. They want to get rich quick, or they want to get high percentage gain right away without looking at the other side of that one. They don't have what we call target profit, or until when they will cut their losses. That, as you can see also, some of the top traders out there, they already fine with like 5% gain, 6% gain, 4% gain, but their loss are only around 2%, 3%, because that's where the money works. Small percentage of gain versus a smaller percentage of loss. Tip number 2, do not research. Or do not search. That's the tip for you to lose money in the stock market. Go ahead and listen to what everyone is saying and don't research about it. Now, the other way for this one, the remedy for this one, is for you to somehow search on the things that you are listening to. Say for instance, stocks like stock company A, company B. Search it on your local broker, search it on a news or a credible news website, stock market website. Check it to the experts, some people who you can trust, their opinions that you can trust. And at the end of the day, you should also check it on your own, right? Tip number 3, let your emotions guide your decision making. All right, most of the people who are losing money let their emotions guide them. Say for instance, they have the fear of like the stock will not totally push up or head up already. They are already taking profit prematurely. On the other hand, there are some people out there who are holding on to their stocks even though they see or they know that they are losing big, then the stock is not doing any good and the chart is moving and the direction of the chart or the price is moving down below. So the solution for that one is that stick to your strategy. That's why it is important for you to start small. Start small meaning you can win small, yes, but you can also lose small. In that case, you are practicing your mind, you are practicing your psychological thinking, your emotional thinking. That's why so that when the time comes that you can invest bigger already, you can now stick to your plan and not let emotions do the decision making for you. All right. Tip number 4: do not diversify. All right. So the solution for that, or the other way around for that, is that of course you need to diversify. Diversify in the sense of pick a sector or invest in different sectors like holdings, consumers, banking. Also, you should also consider investing in different conglomerates. Say for instance, you have an investment in BDO, SM Prime. So that's one umbrella. What if there's something wrong with BDO and SM Prime? Obviously, SM itself will have a big impact with that one. Alright, tip number 5 complicate your investing or trading. Complicate everything. Alright, you have a lot, you've learned all of the things that you needed, but it seems that you're having a hard time funneling them all, choosing what's the best for you. Now, the solution for that one: find the perfect valuation you can use. Make it simple for the fundamental, and for the technical, understand all how leading and lagging indicators work. Find the perfect 1 or 2 or maybe 3 for you. Then that's it. Right? This is why knowing all the indicators is important, so that you can back test them all, try them all based on what you feel, how you feel applying them, then eventually cutting them into half, or leaving like 4 indicators for you to decide which stocks to buy and which stocks to sell. That is our 5 tips for you to lose money in the stock market. Before ending this video, I would like to add this quote by Jack Ma. You know Jack Ma, the one of the richest person in the world and in Asia. He says here, like in the future, I want to write a book about myself, something like Alibaba's 1001 mistakes. If you learn from mistakes, you'll be stronger, more realistic. You see all the mistakes, the failures, and you still want to fight for the failure. Right? So take note also of those mistakes, so that if those things came across to you, you already know what are the things that you should do. Say for instance, you are battling your emotions, your decision making, stick to your core, stick to your buy and sell signals. On the other hand, there are some good companies in the conglomerate, in the backing center. Maybe you can allot 2 or 3 stocks on them, but don't allot 4. Maybe the other one, you should put them in consumer, in mining, gaming, or in other sectors that you think that has a possibility for your money to grow. So that's it. Those are, again, the 5 tips for you to lose money in the stock market. Everything you need about gaining and winning is in the stock market. You already have those things. So these things are quite contradicting and quite interesting for you to learn. So if you found value in this video, please do like, or please do subscribe on the YouTube channel. Hit the like button and share this to your friends who are investing in the stock market as well. So that's it. Thank you everyone for watching. Stay safe and God bless.